Yo, what it be like though? It's your boy K.O. from T.U.A Artz by K.O. Introducing, last but not least, Fire. She's the missing piece of the puzzle when nature calls. So this is how she turned out. She turned out real good. Standing right next to her, so Sister Soul Sister. Then we have Mother Nature. And last but not least, we have Mother Earth. Get you some close, you know what I'm saying, views of these ladies. Look at the paint, man. The paint is dry, but it looks wet. It looks so wet. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're looking for. Yep. To inquire, you can call 601-706-3083. Again, that's area code 601-706-3083. And this shirt is entitled When Nature Calls. The ladies from Barksdale Comics by T.U.A Artz by K.O. And we also asking everybody to go to YouTube and subscribe up on the Artz by K.O. That's A-R-T with a Z by K.O. Artz by K.O. and T.U.A Artz will pop up. Also go to Twitter and follow, including Instagram and follow and like. And also Facebook. Like up on Facebook. So this is how we doing it at T.U.A by K.O. These four women have superpowers. If you like anything of this magnitude, please give me a call and we can make it happen for you. Let me back up off over a little bit so you can see the whole shirt. This is how we doing it, y'all, at T.U.A. We do not own the rights to the music in the background. We do not own the rights to the music in the background. Wow, look how that paint is just glistening off the body and stuff, man. I love that. Look at all the detailing up in the clothes and stuff. It's a lot of details. So this is how we're doing it at T.U.A by K.O. This shirt is official. It's finally done. So we're happy to hear that, When nature calls. And we're up out of here.